Hi everyone, my name is Ashley McHouston and I am the digital curator for the Fairfield Foundation. One of my tasks as digital curator is to 3D print archaeological layers from Fairfield Plantation. So we document every layer we excavate at Fairfield with a drone and make 3D models from the images that we take and print those 3D models using a MakerBot 3D printer. The result is an interactive model that you can excavate stratigraphically just like we did in the field. This summer we added a new component to the model when our high school intern Harris Agnew started digitally reconstructing the house and printing it at the same scale as the model. So that once you've excavated the layers and found the foundation, you can start to rebuild the house floor by floor and see what it looked like before the fire. It's an awesome addition to an already awesome model. Unfortunately, while our 3D printer worked for our smaller tasks, it's struggling to keep up with the size and volume of the objects we're now printing. One of the major issues is that the MakerBot doesn't have a heated build plate, and the build area is completely open, which causes the plastic to cool down too fast and large prints end up curling. This is obviously not ideal for things that need to click together. So as you can see, we've made some modifications to try to make it work. We have saran wrap around the sides to keep the cool air out. We also have a heater that we use to try to keep the build area warm. We've also put tape on the build plate to try to help the model stick to the bottom better and combat the warping. These sort of work, but they're obviously not ideal, and they're certainly not long-term solutions. What we really need is a new printer that is equipped to handle what we're currently trying to make, and for that we need your help. So right now we're trying to raise funds to purchase a Fusion3 3D printer, which has a heated build plate to keep things from warping and an enclosed build space that controls the temperature. The build space is also a lot larger, which increases our capacity and allows us to make cool things even faster. So donate today and help us to reach our goal. Your donation will help us bring the 3D model to the next level.